In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file your 1099-R with Turbotax, a crucial step for accurately reporting your income, especially if you've received distributions from pensions, annuities, retirement or profit sharing plans, IRAs, insurance contracts or other such accounts. Today's tutorial aims to make this process as seamless as possible, ensuring you're informed and confident. Let's begin the journey on the Turbotax official site. Head over to Turbotax using your preferred web browser. It's always a good practice to do this by entering the URL manually or through a secure bookmark to ensure you're visiting the authentic site. Once you're there, you'll immediately notice the user-friendly interface designed to streamline tax filing for you. Look out for the Sign In button, often located at the top of the page. Click on it to enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one. Maintaining a secure and easily accessible account is vital for managing your filings efficiently in the future. Once logged in, head to your Turbotax home. Your home base on this platform is where you can navigate to all the essential functions you'll need for a successful tax filing experience. From your home page, proceed by selecting the Federal section. This section is the gateway to managing and inputting data relevant to your federal tax return. In this section, you'll find an array of options tailored to individual filing needs. Keep an eye out for the wages and income section next, because that's where you'll dive deeper into specifying the different types of earnings and receipts you've accumulated over the year. Within the wages and income domain, there is a pivotal option you want to choose next. Look for the link or tab named IRA 401k Pension Plan Withdrawals 1099-R. Clicking here will direct you to the section where you can manage and input details pertaining to any of these specific withdrawals. It's crucial to be accurate with this data, as it directly impacts the outcome of your tax return and ensures you remain compliant with federal requirements. Once you've landed on this page, the system typically guides you through entering or importing your 1099-R form. Pay close attention to each prompt and fill in the necessary details as requested. Have your 1099-R form handy to make this part quick and easy. Remember, accuracy here is key, so double check the information as you go along. Completing this process on Turbotax simplifies a potentially daunting task, leaving you with more peace of mind. After you've entered all relevant information, review your entries and proceed by following any additional prompts to finalize and submit your filing. Congratulations, you've now successfully filed your 1099-R with Turbotax. Keep a copy of your tax return and all related forms in a safe place. Happy filing, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to help streamline your financial tasks.